On number line. Now number line is given to you, decimal point is given to you and you have to represent it on the number line. Now you should know that where that decimal points are there between any two whole numbers. Now here a is equal to 0.6. Now whenever you were having simply 6, then how you used to denote on the number line? Simply we will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and here you are getting the 6. When it was only whole number and they were not decimal, then it was very simple to mark the point on the number line. Now about the decimal point, here it is 0.6, means 0.6 only we will see this whole number, that is 0. So 0.6 will be between which two numbers? It will be between 0 and 1. So it will be between 0 and 1. Now here we are not having any space between 0 and 1. When you were representing only a whole number 6, then we were not having any space between 0 and 1. A short space was there and we are not able to mark anything over here. But when you are doing for the decimal point, then you have to make space between two numbers 0 and 1, you have to make some space. Now how to represent them on this number line? First we need 0 and 1, 0 and 1, and between them we will get 0.6. So we need space between 0 and 1. Now how to mark between 0 and 1? First mark 0, after that do 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this 10th line will be what? 1. After 0 what is? 1. Now again we will count for the 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this 10th line will be what? Here 0 it is marked, 1 is also marked, after 1 it will be 2. So 2 we will mark over here. Now what we have to mark? 0.6. So after 0, 6 points we have to move. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we are getting 0.6. Okay, it is very easy. Now next 1.4. Now here whole number is 1. The number before the point, it is 1, that is whole number. So 1.4 will be between 1 and 2. The number and the number after that 1 and 2. So 1.4 will be between 1 and 2. Now again same line we will draw, number line 0, after that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At the 10th we will write down 1. 0 we have already marked, after that 1. After that again after 10 marking, here it will be 2. Now 1.4 is where? Between 1 and 2. It will be between this 1 and 2. So where? 1.4. 4 lines we have to skip. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it will be 1.4. So this way you have to mark the points on the number line or decimals on the number line. Now new topic, it is about hundreds. Now we have learnt about tens, now about the hundreds. Now a length of room is 4 meter and 25 centimeter. Now it is given in meter and centimeter. Now you have to find out the length of room in only meter. Only meter we have to find out. Now for that we should know the relation between meter and centimeter. Now relation between meter and centimeter is conversion relation. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now centimeter we want to convert it into meter, so we have to divide it by 100. So 1 centimeter it will be equal to 1 by 100 meter. Now here 4 meter and 25 centimeter. So this centimeter, 25 centimeter, we have to convert it into meter. So if we want to convert it into meter, what we have to do? We have to divide it by 100. So 25 divided by 100 meter. 4 meter as it is. After that 4 plus 25 by 100. So where we have to put the point? Whenever the denominators are 10 or 100, before that we have to put the point. So 4.25 meter. So this is the decimal form of 4 meter and 25 centimeter. That means it is 4.25 meter. Now here place value table. Now this you want to write down in the place value table, then how you will write down 4.25. 4 is on the ones place, 2 is on the tens place, and 5 is on the hundreds place. So tens means 1 by 10, hundreds means 1 by 100. Now if this you want to write down in the summation form, then how you can write down 4 plus 2 by 10 plus 5 by 100. This way you can write down in the plus form. Now another sum we are example we are taking 2.65. Now 2.65 we want to write down in the place value table. So 2 will be where? On the ones place. So here 6 is on the tens place. So here it will be 6, and 5 is on the hundreds place. So here 5. If this can be written as 2 plus 6 is on the tens place. So 6 by 10. 5 is on the 100 place. So 5 by 100. This way you have to write down, fill up the place value table. Fill in the blanks in the table and write the corresponding number in the decimal form. Now here blocks are given to you. Here 2 blocks are given to you. Here table is given to you, and you have to write down that what are this block representing the decimal number. So here you can see that this first is of how many? Total how many small blocks are there? Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 10 rows and columns are there. That means 10 tens are 100. So total how many? 100 small blocks are there over here. Now out of 100, here how many are shaded? Here you can see here circles are there. That means these are filled up. So how many are filled up? All 100 are filled up. So we can write out of 100 how many are filled up? 100 are filled up. Now here another thing, another block is given. This is also total are 100 only. Let us see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rows and 10 columns means for totaling we will multiply 10 multiplied by 10, it will be 100. So total how many? 100 small blocks are there in this square. Now out of this how many are shaded? These 10 blocks how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this 10, 1, second, third and 4. 4 are shaded out of this 10. So 4 by 10, and here only how many? 1 and 2. Now this 10 section we will take one side. After that, now suppose these are empty. These are empty and only 2 are filled up out of this 100. So out of 100 only 2 are filled up. These 2 are filled up out of all these 100. Now here you can see in the first block what it is? Out of 100, all 100 are filled up. So 100 ones are 100, 100 ones are 100. So the answer will be 1 over here. So at the ones place what you will write down? 1. Now tens. Tens means 1 by 10. 1 by 10. So 1 by 10, here you can see 10 blocks. How many 10 blocks? 4 10 blocks are there. So this 4 we will write down over here where it is tens. Now about hundreds. Out of 100 how many are filled up? We will see which are less filled up. Only less filled up how many? 2 are less filled up. This we will consider. This 4 we have already written over here. So that we don't have to write down. Now what is left? Only these 2 are left. That 2 we will write down over here at the hundreds. 100 means 1 by 100. So here the hundreds how many? 2 are there. So here write down 2. Now how to write down this in the decimal form? Where the point will be there? Before the tens. So here the point will be there. So 1, 0.42. So this is the required answer of this block. Now suppose this block is not given to you. This block is not given to you. And only one block is given to you, and in this block this way the shaded part are given to you. Now here you can see no fully shaded is not given to you. So where it is ones, what you will write down at the ones? Because no block is given to you, so you will write down at the ones place 0. Now about tens place, 10 block, how many are there? This 10, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here at tens it will be, this will be 5 by 10. So here 5. Now about hundreds, out of 100, this 5 we have already written. So here how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 are left. That 4 we will go over here. 4 by 100. Out of 100, 4 are only shaded. So 104. So what will be the answer? Here we will put the point. So 0.54. 0.54. Point where we have to put? Before the tens. Okay. Write as fractions in lowest form. Now here decimals are given to you and you have to convert them into the fractions, and that also in the lowest form. So here A 0.04. 0.04 can be written in the fraction form as, here you can see after point how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. So how many zeros will be there in the denominator? 2 zeros will be there. So it will be equal to 004 divided by how many? 2 zeros we need at after point, how many? 2 digits are there. So 2 zeros means 100. So how many 0 you have to put? Whatever digits are, number of digits are after point, that much 0 you have to put in the denominator. If 2 zeros are there, then 100. If 1 is there, then 10. It will be equal to, now this 0 we will remove out, only we need 4 by 100. Now if it was 400 by 100, then this 0 you are not able to cut it out simply. But here 0 is before the number, so this we can remove. So here it will be 4 by 100. Now 4 by 100, so it can be, both will be available in which table? 25. Sorry, 425 are 4 divided by 4 and 100 divided by 4. So 4 divided by 4, 1, 100 divided by 4, 25. So final answer is 1 by 25. So 0.05's fraction form in the lowest form, it will be 1 by 25. 4 by 100 is also in the lowest form only. 4 by 100 is also fraction, but we need lowest form, means we have to reduce it in the lowest form. So again 4 by 100, the common factor is 4. So we can divide 4 and 100 by 4 and the answer will be 1 by 25. Now here 0.342. Here you can see that after point 3 zeros are, 3 digits are there. So 3 zeros we will need at the bottom. So 3, 4, 2 we will write down. After that 3 zeros means it will be 1000. Here 2 were there, so 100, 3 digits are there, so 1000. After that here you can see last digit is 2 and here it is 0. So both it will be divisible by 2. So 3, 4, 2 divided by 2 and 1000 divided by 2. Now 342 if we will divide by 2, the answer will be 2. Here you can do the rough work if you don't know. 3, 4, 2, 2, 1s are 2, 14, 2 7s are 14, minus 0, 2, 1s are. So answer is 171. 171 divided by 1000 divided by 2, it will be 500. So the final answer is 171 divided by 500. So the fraction form of 0.342 is 171 divided by 500. Write each of the following as a decimal. Now a statements or in sentence form the numbers are given and you have to write down or in the decimal form. First is 306 and 7 hundreds. 306 means 306 plus and means plus 7 hundreds means 7 divided by 100. So how you will write down in the point form? 306, after that point. Now but at tens place nothing is there, so we will put at tens place 0. At hundreds place we are having 7, so here we will put 7. So the answer is 306.07. Okay. After that 11.236. So 11 will be written over here. After that point, so put decimal point. After that 2, 3, 6. Now here you can see that here 2, 3, 6 only one number name is given over here. Directly you will not going to say that 236, it is wrong. What you have to spell out? 11.236. One number name only you will write whenever it is after the point. That's all about it.